So you're standing in front of your old elementary school. Hello, and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee, and this is my week 50 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. So yeah, I'm going old school this week by standing in front of my old elementary school, English Estates Elementary. There. I can remember walking out my back door, which is right over there, and crossing the street and being at school in seconds. Back then, I was an award-winning artist, actor, singer, and musician, also a sports legend. I had all the coolest haircuts and all the coolest clothes as well. Thanks, Mom. Anyway, mainly, I was skinny back then. What the hell happened? All this was back in the good old days when you had to actually earn an award or trophy. You had to earn it. And there were actually winners and actually losers. There's no participation trophies like what happens today. If you sucked at something, then you didn't get squat. If you did something bad, you get a wooden paddle to the ass by the principal. And then some more whoop ass probably when you got home. But kids today, they're just a bunch of whiny little babies with no discipline or respect for others. Pitter patter. Let's get at her. Last week, on week 49, I lost 1.4 pounds for a total weight loss of 92.4 pounds in 49 weeks, leaving only 7.6 more pounds to lose before my 50th birthday on February 26, 2021. Let's see what I did on week 50. Wednesday, I did steps totaling 10,989 with a morning 5K and no cookout at Hooterville, but Lyle brought some of his guaranteed to fart chili, and I ordered some pizzas and ate way too much, of course. Still no alcohol drinking, but definitely not a start for the week. So I did calories of 2,539. Remember, you can see everything I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and the link is in the description below. All right, Thursday, I weighed in at 253.8 pounds pre-poo. That's up 5.6 pounds overnight. And I got booted back out of the 240s club. I can't afford these screw-ups. I mean, come on, I'm gonna get hosed here. But I did 11,763 in steps with a morning 5K, and I ate calories of 1,275. Friday, I weighed in at 250.2 pounds pre-poo. Down some. Luckily, that chili did its job, though. I did steps totaling 13,021 with the morning 5K. I ate calories of 1,464, and I ate some leftover pizza. Saturday, I weighed in at 251.8 pounds pre-poo. Damn pizza. I did steps totaling 9,433 with the morning 5K, and I only ate calories of 1,332. Sunday, I weighed in at 250.4 pounds pre-poo. I did steps totaling 10,705 with a morning 5K. I had smoked brisket and yummy fish dip at my brother's, along with some other snacks. So it was Super Bowl 55 Sunday. Yay! I watched half the game at my buddy Aaron's and left at halftime and didn't even watch that. But good job, Bucks. I did calories of 2,128. Maybe a little more. I might have lost track. Monday, I weighed in at 254.2 pounds pre-poo. That's up 3.8 pounds again. I guess I ate some pretty heavy food yesterday at Chad's, but I did steps totaling 10,148 with a morning 5K, and I ate leftover brisket and fish dip. Calories, I did 1,660. Tuesday, I weighed in at 251.8 pounds pre-poo. Down some in only one day until we end the week. I did steps totaling 11,332 with a morning 5K, and I only ate calories of 1,391. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning, weighing in at 249.2 pounds pre-poo. I'm back in the 240s club, but that number seems a little high. Pretty sure it's a little high. As always, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. So if you're curious to see if I'm gonna make it to my 100+ pound goal, then if you haven't done it already, please hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social links listed in the description below. Okay, so here's my stats for week 50. You can pause the video to look them over, but I did steps totaling 77,391. That's a good week for steps. I've had a lot worse. Calories, I consumed 11,789. That's still not a bad week for calories. I'll take that. Anything under 12 is good. And my total weight gained during week 50 was 1 pound, for a total weight loss of 94.1 pounds down in 50 weeks. I went backwards again. Now I gotta lose 8.6 pounds in 16 days. I think I'm pretty much screwed. I'm basically immune to losing weight right now. I don't know what it is. I've been doing all kinds of extra walking with the 5Ks every morning, and I'm getting more daily steps. So I'm in a deficit with the calories. So I don't know what's going on. I don't have the time to walk anymore. I'm not going to jog or run, nor do I have time for more exercise. I do have something I plan to do after I lost 100 pounds that I implemented just a little bit early to see if it works or not. I've been doing it now for a few days, but you're going to have to wait till next week to see if my new plan works or not. I will get fit by 50, and I will lose 100+ pounds. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. And please remember to use your damn turn signals, people. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.